Hello, this is Engineers Talk. Today we'll introduce the emergency repair process of the Carel controller PCO3000AL0. We received an urgent repair request due to refrigerant low-pressure error and alarm 81 malfunction. With extensive experience in repairing Carel controllers, we quickly identified the problem component, a damaged 3V diode, and confirmed no abnormalities after inspecting surrounding components. We promptly replaced the part using our available inventory. Although confirming alarm clearance was challenging for this model, we conducted basic power testing before delivering the product to the customer. We received feedback on alarm clearance and normal operation after the customer's on-site installation. Engineers Talk always strives to provide the best service in line with our customers' trust. Thank you.